freshly showered, just had some breakfast, waiting for Michael to come back up, and then we're going to head to the track. Officially day one of Ebisu Matsuri. The actual weekend Matsuri, they had Matsuri Max throughout the week, but this is the official Saturday. We'll be drifting from basically the morning until midnight. No real plans of what tracks to go today. Kind of gonna see what people are feeling and then just go, have some fun, do some laps. Nothing serious, just go out and have fun. So see what happens. We'll definitely be on North Course at night. That's when it gets crazy. We'll see how busy it gets. There's so many cars. It's unbelievable how many cars were even there yesterday. I can't even imagine what's going to be like today. So should be fun, but it's going to be very, very chaotic. So stay tuned. Let's go. So we just got our Matsuri pass for the weekend. Just warming up the car a little bit. Gonna go finish these tires off from yesterday on Minami and put some fresh tires on and then go hit Hagashi. Should probably check the oil. Oh, car's rolling. Whoop. Whew. Just did a few laps on Minami. I just want to get rid of the tires from yesterday. Really cool, you can still do Minami. Couldn't do the jump properly. Tried going over the main hump once, just bottomed it out so hard. But the whole rest of the track is still really fun. So got some cool laps, about to change tires and go hit some Hagashi. Well, that was a run. Oh my God! Woo! Yeah! Got some pretty good use out of those tires. All right, we just had a little issue with the hydro line. This was loose, so I was losing fluid, but we just tightened that up, filled it with fluid, so that's all good. Just came back from Hagashi. Did some laps. My front wheel debeaded, went off track, but I fixed that, so that's all good. And yeah, so we're changing tires, and then not sure where we're gonna go next, but all good so far. Alright guys, just did more Hagashi, did another set of tires. Hagashi is just too good. Driving back now to get some fuel. We missed lunch, so we're going to try to hit a Combini. Yeah, car's all good though. right, so as you can see, there is a line. We've actually been in this line for about 20 minutes, but we're going up to North Course. It's only 6:30, so we go till midnight. So we'll make it up there with plenty of time. But yeah, hopefully do some rips with the boys. Got all the homies in the car right now, homies in front of us. Let's do some nighttime North Course runs. said, no. Come on in. Come on in. Oi. Nice. Alright guys, that's Matsuri day 1. Maybe do a few more laps here, but it's getting close to midnight. Lots of driving today, pretty much mostly on Hagashi. But yeah, we're going to do it all again tomorrow, so stay tuned for the final video for Matsuri. Well, actually, there might be another video because there's some sort of a competition on the Monday. Stay tuned for that, potentially. But with that being said, if you do want to see more of this, subscribe, like, put the notification bell on, all that good stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.